Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So a couple weeks ago, I did a video on Konmari daily habits. Those are the daily habits of a Japanese tidying expert, Marie Kondo. And you guys loved that video so much that I wanted to see what her approach was to spring cleaning, because I think that's on a lot of our minds now that it's finally spring. And I just absolutely loved her approach and her method to spring cleaning, because everything else that I had seen out there was just so overwhelming with these ridiculously long lists of 500 things to clean around the house that just isn't practical. And honestly, I don't have time for that. So I like that Marie Kondo's approach was very simple and minimal and approachable. So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. Also, over on my friend Micah's channel, she is sharing her spring cleaning routine. So once you're done watching this video, head on over to her channel, check out her video, go subscribe to her. She also does home and lifestyle related videos. She is a mom of 4 with 1 more on the way. So I honestly do not know how she does it. She is awesome. So definitely go check her out. And if you are new here to my channel, my name is Brittany. I try to be motivational, but also practical and keep things fun here on my channel. So if you do enjoy what you see, I would love to have you subscribe. I also have a little giveaway that I'll be sharing at the end of this video. So make sure to watch to the end. And with all of that said, let's jump into Marie Kondo's method for spring cleaning. Gotta pull up my notes. We take notes here. If you're familiar at all with Marie Kondo, you know that she's a very zen and spiritual person. So not surprisingly, she approaches spring cleaning as a new beginning and a time to reflect and express gratitude on all of the items in your home that have gotten you through the cold fall and winter months. So the first thing she recommends tackling for our spring cleaning is clothing. And this is the time you want to collect and put together all of your heavy winter items, and you want to wash them first and then store them away. So this is not only your winter clothing, but also your heavier blankets and duvets, your winter shoes and boots. I am a recent convert to using the vacuum sealing storage bags. What I really like about these is not only do they compact your clothes to less than half the size, they're also airtight. So when you store them away for the rest of the year, you don't have to worry about dust. Next up is the dusting, taking it one step further. Normally we're just dusting the surfaces of easy to reach items around the home. With spring cleaning, you want to dust the things that you probably haven't gotten to in a while. What I found recently and I love using is this Swiffer duster, because it has this adjustable duster head that you can use to clean the top of ceiling fans and light fixtures. For the chandeliers around the house, what I will do is I will take these microfiber cleaning cloths, the same ones that I use to clean my camera lens, and I will dust and polish the crystals because they accumulate so much dust, and by cleaning them off, it just gives the crystals their sparkle back. You also want to make sure to get your window ledges, the tops of your refrigerator and microwave. You also want to make sure to dust around your picture frames and your artwork. You want to get behind your television and behind your computer screen. And also don't forget to dust your air vents. Those accumulate so much dust, and if you don't clean them off, they will circulate that dust around your homes.
I'm mopping the pillow.
Next up is doing a deeper cleaning of our floors. Whereas on a daily or weekly basis, we are vacuuming and mopping around the house, spring cleaning is the time of the year where you want to move your furniture, clean underneath your couches, clean underneath your rugs. Get every corner and edge around your floors, and you also want to clean your baseboards. A lot of times these get totally ignored, and the way that I like to clean my baseboards is using warm, soapy water. Sometimes I'll even bring out my magic eraser sponge if there are any scuffs on the baseboard, and just clean them off so they look nice and white. And because I have hardwood floors, this is also the time of year where I will polish the floors. I use the Bona wood polish. It's very simple to do. You just put it on the floors and you buff it in with a microfiber cloth that I put at the end of my Swiffer, and it just gives the floors a beautiful shine. Next, she recommends that this is the time to really focus on the practical updates that you need to make around your house that you have been putting off. So first would be any creaky doors. What I like to do for my creaky doors, a little hack that I use, is spray oil. I'll just spray the hinges of the doors, rub that in with a microfiber cloth, and it works really well. It's all natural. You want to clean any fingerprints or scratches from your walls or doors. I like to use my magic eraser sponge for this, but also just be careful because it can take off paint, so I just use it really gently. Next is cleaning your windows, not just on the inside, but on the outside. And how I like to clean the outside of my windows is with this contraption. On one side has a microfiber sponge, on the other side has a squeegee, so it just makes it really easy. I just take a big bucket of warm soapy water with just a squirt of dish soap in here. I use the sponge side in a S-shaped motion just to fully wet the windows, and then the squeegee tool on the back to clean them off. Then I take a microfiber cloth and then I fully clean around the edges of the window ledge, so everything is all cleaned off. And the last bucket of things to do is just anything else that you've been putting off around your home. So this could be a lot of things. The thing that I wanted to tackle that I thought would be helpful to share with you all is reviving my couch. My couch is just starting to look really sad and deflated. So I thought this was a great time of year for me to bring it back to life. So the first thing I did for this is took off all the slip covers around the cushions to be dry cleaned, also the slip covers on the pillows. Then when putting everything back on, you want to fluff it back up. And a little tip here, if things are looking deflated, you can buy polyfill. I just got mine from Amazon and I stuffed back up my cushions just to make them look nice and plump again. I also decided to add some new throw pillows to this couch, slightly nicer and larger ones. I found these on sale at Home Goods, so they don't have to be expensive, and that could just really revive the look of your couch. So this is the before of how my couch looked, and here is how it looked after with just a little bit of love and TLC. And that is it. Like I said, Marie Kondo's method for spring cleaning was just really simple and practical, and I think achievable. So if you're overwhelmed with the idea of doing some massive spring cleaning effort, maybe just try this method. Also, I decided to do a little giveaway here on my channel because it's been a while since I've done one. To be entered to win, all you need to do is be subscribed to my channel and following me over on Instagram. And I'm going to be giving away my spring cleaning essentials kit. So I'm going to include the Swiffer duster, the window cleaning tool I showed, my favorite microfiber cleaning cloth, magic eraser sponges, and both of my DIY essential oil kits. Even though they're sold out, I still have a stash here at my house that I will send you both the day and the night kit. So that way you can use the essential oils to get a nice, beautiful spring scent going in your home. So again, to be entered to win, you just have to be subscribed to my channel, following me on Instagram, and then leave a comment down below letting me know what is the biggest project that you want to tackle for your spring cleaning this year around your home. This is an international giveaway, and I'm going to pick one person at random on April 18th, which is also Ryan's birthday. All of the details are going to be down in the description box, so check there. With all of that said, thank you as always so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.